this is Giulio from TKS, publisher and events organizer. Today I have the pleasure to inform you that in September we will organize our Sun and Care meeting, a web conference organized in 4 appointments during the month. Every Monday, so the 7th of September, then 14, 21st, 28, we will have our weekly appointment totally dedicated to sun care. We've invited very remarkable speakers, experts from the scientific world. We will host companies. It will be a very important opportunity to be updated on the latest in such a so important and sensitive issue. So we look forward to meeting you in September again, the 7th, the 14th, 21st, 28th. It will be a very sunny September. So stay in tune with us. Thank you very much. I wish you a very happy and sunny summer. Ciao!